everybody. In this video I'm going to be talking about how you can install Unity with Unity Hub. So if you don't know what Unity is, it's just basically a game engine. And what is a game engine? It's where you create games. So let's get started and let me show you how you can actually install Unity. So I'm just going to show my screen right here. And now I'm going to open up my browser. In my case, I'm using Chrome, but you can use any other browser that you want. And then what I will do is that I will actually go ahead and search for Unity download like so. And then it should pop up this website link, which is download Unity. So click on that and then let this load up. Okay. So here what we want to do is actually just hit download Unity Hub, okay? So just click on that and it'll give you this setup.exe. Just run that setup and install Unity Hub. But in my case, I'm actually just gonna cancel it because I have Unity Hub, sorry, installed already. So now I'm going to open up Unity Hub. So you can only do this after you install it, of course. Now I'm going to maximize that, and the next thing that you want to do is actually go to installs, and you won't actually have these two versions here. So in my case, I am already using Unity, so that's why I have those two versions of Unity installed. But for you, you'll actually click on add, or if you already have Unity installed, then you'll click locate instead of add. But in my case, I'm doing a tutorial, so it's like I'm thinking or assuming that you have never installed Unity before. So after clicking add, you it should pop up this. So here you can select the recommended release, or you can go to official releases and then you can select the version that you want. So just just select it and then click on next. So I'm just going to click on that, and now we will add modules to install. So basically, if you want to export your games to Android or something, you will need this Android build support. And if you want, to export your games to iOS, you will take this. tvOS, you will take this. But the two I would recommend will be WebGL and Windows. And if you are an Android developer or an iOS developer, you can select that right over here. And then just hit done, and that should start installing. Okay, and then that's going to take a while to actually complete the installation. After that, I'm going to show you how to actually create a new project. So for this, just go over to projects right here and then hit new. So let this just load up. And then these are the templates that are available. So you can create a 2D or a 3D project. These are the most used templates. So I'm just going to show an example with a 3D project maybe, and just give the project a name. So in this case, I'm just going to call this like test project, and then you can select where this project should be located. In my case, I'm just going to leave it as that, and then you just need to hit create, and that will actually create our project. So right now what I'm going to do is actually just pause the recording, and once it is done installing or actually creating our project, I'll be back. Okay, so at this point our project has been created, and this is what you should be seeing. So basically this is a 3D project, and we're seeing the 3D view right over here. And I'm actually not going to show you how to create a game in this video because I'm just showing you how you can actually install Unity. And now the next is up to you for creating a game and stuff. But this is actually Unity, so if I click right click and select 3D objects, I don't know, cube, then it'll actually create a cube. So basically this is Unity installed at this point. And with that being said, we have actually successfully installed Unity into our computers. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.